and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and today, we're playing with fire. I got a delicious sweet treat for us that's super fun to make and gave me a fun excuse to buy this. So get ready for some vegan creme brulee. Let's dive in. Grab a medium-sized pot and put it on the stove. Add in cornstarch, sugar, and some vanilla powder. Now add in some almond milk, vegan butter, and a little bit of lemon juice. Whisk that on the heat until it boils. You should see the mix almost having a pudding-like texture at this point. Now take it off the heat and pour the mix into some small heat-resistant bowls. Put them in the fridge until they completely cool down, which is at least 2 to 3 hours. Once these are nice and cool, time for the fun part. Sprinkle on a layer of sugar, making sure to get all the way to the edges of the dish. Now get out your blowtorch and start melting some sugar. This gives it that classic caramelized shell the dessert is known for. Always practice safety when using a blowtorch and follow the instructions for your specific torch. If you don't own a blowtorch, you can still achieve a similar effect by placing it on the top shelf of your oven and broiling it for 3 to 5 minutes. This shell is looking beautiful, so let's plate this dish. Breaking the crust on this is the most fun thing ever. And we have a delicious vanilla-like custard with this amazing shell on top. It is such a fun combination of texture and flavor. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite desserts in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.